You're always welcomed at Memaw's house, where today we are making brookies. This is the second in our series of easy, quick summer recipes.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my kitchen. You see I'm standing here with my apron already on because me and the girls have already been in the kitchen. Remember I told y'all that we were going to have some easy recipes to cook for the summer. Well, this is one of them. Ari and Peyton had put together over on Ari's World, had put together some mixes, some dry mixes in mason jars so that we could have them on the shelf so that we could cook them anytime we wanted to during this summer season. So today I'm going to make brookies with two of those jars of mixes that they put together. So we're going to make the brownies and we're going to make cookies and make brookies. So join us. I got the stuff right here and let's get to cooking. Okay, so we have the chocolate chip cookie mix and we have the brownie mix. We'll start with the chocolate chip cookie mix. Okay, we're going to start with our butter for our cookies, the chocolate chip cookie part. I'm just going to use what I have here instead of spraying it. I was going to spray my pan, but why? And then our cookie mix. And you know what else I forgot? I forgot my vanilla. We'll add that in a minute. Down in the bowl. And this is our first time trying the mixes together. Now, I've made brookies before, but not using this method. But you know, I'm always trying something different. Yes, thank you. Now, I've been mixing this for about a minute, if that long. And look how easy that comes together. Y'all gotta try that mix in a bottle thing. So our cookie mix is done. And now we'll move on to the brownies. Okay, so the brownies call for 4 eggs and a cup of oil and a teaspoon of vanilla. But you know how I measure my vanilla. Just pour it in. Ooh, it smells good. We're going to pour this in. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to put some nuts in me and Peepaw's side. Let me get this pushed back so that it can be even. That's because I didn't feel like chopping up no nuts, but we wanted nuts in ours. And then
tastes like a Hershey's chocolate bar.
all right, so now we have all of our cookie dough and our brownies all together. And it's time to go into the oven. Okay, so they're in the oven and I'll be back in about 40 minutes with a brookie. So our brookie is done. We've let it cool for about 20 minutes because, you know, you gotta let it cool. And we're gonna cut it. So let's get to cutting. It's very nice and soft. And it has a nice crisp crunch on the top. Y'all see? Had to get my thumbnail. I'm going to let my little taste tester right here taste a little bit of the ice cream and the brookie. You ready?
Yes. Mmm. With crackers?
Just eat.
Okay.
What does it taste like? See? Let me taste it, because they playing. They playing with us, y'all.
It's so good.
I know, right?
It's got a nice crisp on the outside, and it's gooey on the outside.
Inside.
And inside.
It's gooey. Let's see.
And the ice cream gives it a good element, too.
What would make you want to go to church? Okay, y'all, so the brookies were a hit, and that is a recipe that I strongly suggest you try. If you'd like the recipe for the mix, please go over to Ari's World, where she and Peyton are putting together that mix for the cookie dough and the brownies. So, in the meanwhile, bake something good for somebody you love. It's always a good thing to have something out of your kitchen. A gift. Y'all be blessed. Bye. Thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did enjoy the video and stayed to the end, please comment down below, I like brookies.